Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to move Windows 11 taskbar to the top of the screen. For this, you need to download a freeware app that is known as a Start All Back. You can find this link in this video description. You can follow that link to download the software. It is a freeware app. There is no need to pay anything to anyone. Once the application runs, select install for me or install for everyone according to your needs. Once the software is installed, right click on the taskbar and select here and check this one option, lock the taskbar. Now press and hold the taskbar and move the cursor. Press and hold the taskbar and move the cursor to the top of the screen. This will move your Windows 11 taskbar to the top of the screen. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Also, let me know via comment how this video is useful. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.